Hey, if you wonder how we can improve the sound quality of your Sony WF-1000XM5, let me quickly show you. So first of all, you have to be for sure connected to the Sony Headphones application on your device, and then you will have to go for the sound. Now you will have to scroll until you locate the Bluetooth connection quality, and it's actually highly recommended to switch for the sound quality mode, because thanks to this switch we'll be able to find this codec, the LDAC, to be turned on. So it actually gave us the best possible quality of the sounds that are actually playing in the earbuds. And the second way to do this, we can open the sound equalizer, and by turning it on, for example for the custom first, you can click on the settings icon, and when playing music or any other media, you can try to change this preset and just simply set it up to your own preferences. Also, you can use these presets, the default presets, so we can actually do this to your own preferences. And that's all the 2 tips how we can actually improve the sound quality. Right now, please subscribe to my channel.